During the ongoing 53rd session of the United Nations Human Rights Council, the China Society for Human Rights Studies on Monday held a side event on the theme of concept and practice of human rights in China at the Paradise Destinations in Geneva.
Chinese government has attached great importance to human rights education. As you can see in the 4 national human rights action plans, there's one special chapter on human rights education and research. And through all these 4 national human rights action plans, in China now there are 14 national centers for human rights education and training established in 14 different Chinese universities.
作为一名语言研究者与新疆的本地人呢，我无时无刻都能感受到新疆当地语言文字的多样性得到了充分的保护。